Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys can see I have already prepped my skin. So now I'm going to apply Pounds BB cream wherever I have dark spots or pimple spots. There I am applying Pounds BB cream. So now you can see wherever pigmentation I have around lip area, around cheeks. Now I'm going to blend with the beauty blender, as you can see. Now I am taking Lakme loose powder, or you can call it as a rose powder, and I'm applying all over the face. Now I have done with my eyebrows. I'm gonna apply Lakme Kajal on the lower lids of my eyes. Now I have selected the brown eyeshadow from the palette. Applying all over my eyes, as you can see. Here I am taken a NY base white kajal and I am using it as a highlighter over my eyebrows and on my nose. Now I have taken a Lakme's eyeliner and I have applied a wing on my eyes. Lastly, I am applying a red lipstick. You can see I forgot the shade name. I'm done with my accessories. The final look turned out very pretty, as you can see guys. This will help for all the school going, college going girls. So lastly, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification.